Good evening and welcome to the West 28th Street Water Main Replacement Project meeting. Thank you for joining us. Be advised this meeting will be recorded. A recording of the meeting will be available via the Cleveland Water YouTube channel. Please share this information with neighbors who are not available for this live broadcast. Following the presentation, you will be welcome to enter your questions in the chat. The meeting coordinator will read the questions to the project manager for response. It's now my pleasure to introduce the project manager for this project, Martin Reese.
Thank you. Okay, we'll just start opening remarks. We'll do the project description overview. We'll talk about traffic, parking, contact information, and then we have questions and comments at the end, and then close remarks. The project summary, the project costs approximately $314,015.90. The contractor will be Terrace Construction Company Incorporated. We expect construction to begin February 10th and to end April 28th. That's the project map where you see the project going from Washington Avenue to Division Avenue. Okay, the project includes, we're going to be installing 340 linear feet of new 8-inch water main between Division Avenue and Washington Avenue. We're going to install new service connections. We'll install new fire hydrant, and there will be street restoration at the end where we resurface some curb to curb. Talk about traffic, parking, and contact information. The contractor typical work hours are from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The city ordinance allows them to work until 7 p.m., but that's done on a case-by-case basis. We expect to maintain traffic throughout the project. Residents will be notified in advance of any changes. Please pay attention to the street signage. Water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project, and we will not need to have temporary service connections on this project. You see our contact information. You see Martin Reese, I'm the project manager. You see my contact information. We also have an inspector. His name is Aaron Clark. He will be on the project throughout, and that is his contact information. You also have contact information for Terrace Construction. That's their number, along with their after hours emergency line. And then we also have the Cleveland Water emergency line. Thank you. Are there any questions?
Martin, I'm not seeing any questions in the chat. I want to thank everyone for joining us today. If additional information is required, feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns. Again, the meeting recording will be available in Cleveland Water's official YouTube channel, and we may be distributing this to certain participants and different people in the community. With that, have a nice evening.